explainer. In 3, 2, 1. Thanks for watching. I'm meteorologist Jacqueline Thomas. Of course, heading into the weekend, all eyes are on the incoming nor'easter, expected to bring heavy snow, wind to the area throughout the day on Saturday. Several different winter alerts across the state, winter weather advisory north, and then a winter storm warning for most of the state. But we do also have a blizzard warning as you head across the seacoast for Saturday. So what constitutes a blizzard? What does that mean? Well, you have to have two main things: strong winds and reduced visibility. Those winds have to be sustained at 35 miles per hour or frequently gusting to at least 35 miles per hour, and the visibility has to be a quarter mile or less, and these things have to happen for at least 3 consecutive hours. And along the seacoast, where winds are expected to be the strongest, you're certainly going to get blowing snow. That's going to reduce visibility. So it doesn't even have to be snowing to have blizzard conditions. Even after the snow comes to an end with this storm, you could still get these blizzard conditions because of that blowing